How to fix hanging or slow performance issues on any Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see some steps to identify and resolve the problem if your Android device is experiencing slow performance or hanging issues. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to restart your device. A simple restart cleans the temporary files and refreshes your system processes, which can resolve many performance issues. So press and hold the power button and then tap restart to restart your device. After that, if that still doesn't help you, check for the software updates. Outdated software can cause lag due to the box or incompatibility. So for that, open up settings. Scroll down, tap on System, tap on Software Updates. If you have any available updates, install it. Once you have done that, now go back if that helps you or not. If still not, then you can uninstall the unused or problematic application. Heavy or poorly optimized application can cause slowdowns, so you can simply go to your settings, go to your apps, scroll down a bit, and then you can simply uninstall the application that you no longer need by tapping on the unused apps. That will also help you solve your problem. If still not, then free up some storage space. Low storage can lead to poor performance, so you can delete unnecessary files, large videos, or application. You can use the store manager in settings or the trusted cleaning application and then free up some space in your device. If that still doesn't help you, then you can reset the app preference. The misconfigured applications can cause hanging or slow performance, so you can reset that. For that, open up settings in your device. Tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on three dots from the top right, and then simply tap on reset app preference from here. And that will also help you fix your problem. If the issue still persists, then it could be some hardware problem, which might be overheating, battery issues. So you have to visit a service center for diagnosis and repair it if needed. And these are all the steps that will help you fix if your device is hanging or have the slow performance issue. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.